Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to enable or disable captions in Canva for your videos. Whether we want to add subtitles for accessibility or remove them for a cleaner look, this feature is quick and easy to manage. On the Canva dashboard, to enable or disable captions, all we need to do is go to Settings. Locate Settings in the upper left corner. Once we're there, just click on Accessibility. We will then see the option to show captions on media or turn them off. If we click it and see a check mark, that means captions are enabled. To disable captions, we simply click that option again to remove the check mark, so captions are now turned off. And that's how we turn captions on or off in Canva in just a few simple steps. It's a great way to control how our content looks and improve the experience for our audience.